The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been generating a lot of buzz, and a recent leak has added more fuel to the fire. This time, it's about wireless charging, a feature that has become a must-have for flagship smartphones. Let's break down the latest details about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and its wireless charging capabilities. The news comes from a tweet by leaker at Jukanlasriv, who shared an image of Spigen's liquid crystal case designed for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The case's design features a circular pattern in the middle, which strongly hints at support for MagSafe-Style wireless charging. But that's not all. On the case's packaging, there's a label that clearly reads, MagFit for MagSafe. This is a significant development and confirms earlier rumors that Samsung might be dabbling with magnetic wireless charging, at least indirectly. However, there's a catch. The phone itself won't come with built-in magnets. Instead, users will need this specific type of case to enable MagSafe-Style functionality. Essentially, the magnetic wireless charging support will rely on the case rather than the phone's internal hardware. This brings us to an important detail. The Galaxy S25 Ultra and its siblings won't support the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. Qi 2, which uses built-in magnets, has become a key feature for devices that want to compete with Apple's seamless MagSafe ecosystem. Unfortunately, Samsung appears to be skipping this route entirely, opting for an external solution. What does this mean for consumers? If you want MagSafe-style wireless charging on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you'll need to invest in a compatible case, like Spigen's MagFit case. This adds an extra cost for users who may have been hoping for this functionality to be built into the phone itself. Despite the lack of Qi 2 support, there is some good news. The Galaxy S25 series is rumored to support faster wireless charging compared to its predecessor. Current reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer wireless charging speeds of up to 25 watt. That's a noticeable improvement over the Galaxy S24 series, which maxes out at 15 watt. However, not all models in the lineup will share the same capability. SEC certification for the base Galaxy S25 reveal a wireless charging speed of only 9 watt, which is a step back compared to the higher-end models. As for wired charging, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Plus are expected to support 45 watt charging, while the base model sticks to 25 watt. Why didn't Samsung include built-in magnets for MagSafe-style wireless charging? Some speculate that it might be a strategic move to drive sales of Samsung-branded cases that enable this feature. It's not uncommon for manufacturers to create ecosystems around their products, and Samsung may be taking a page out of Apple's playbook here. On the flip side, third-party manufacturers like Spigen are already gearing up to compete in this space. If you're a fan of Spigen cases, you're likely familiar with their reputation for quality and affordability. For those looking to experience magnetic wireless charging on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Spigen's liquid crystal case seems like a solid option. The Galaxy S25 series, including the S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and the base S25, is expected to make its grand debut at Samsung's first Unpacked event of 2025. A leaked poster suggests that the event will be held on January 22. If this date holds, we're just a few weeks away from finally seeing what Samsung has in store for its flagship lineup. As the Unpacked event draws closer, we'll undoubtedly see more leaks and confirmations about the Galaxy S25 series. Whether you're excited about the Ultra model or curious about the entire lineup, it's clear that Samsung is continuing to refine its flagship smartphones in ways that both excite and perplex its fans. Stay tuned for more updates as we count down to January 22. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or does this wireless charging setup feel like a missed opportunity?